Alright, the law of conservation of energy says that energy is neither created or destroyed. Right now I have maximum potential energy. Watch what happens to the kinetic. We are in the land of Jurassic Park right now. Look at the biodiversity around here. Every plant looks so different, uniquely adapted to this environment through millions of years of evolution to collect water in a certain way. The leaves tell you why. Why did it look like this? What is the purpose? There's a reason for everything, and it's all explained by evolution. My hypothesis as to why there's holes in the leaf here would be that there's such an abundance of water in this climate that it actually doesn't need to collect all the water that lands on it. Just another example of evolution by natural selection. You see all the evergreen trees, very different populations of plants in the higher elevations. It's really a totally different type of climate up here, even on the same island. Right here we have a prime example of the water cycle. You have moisture coming in from the vast Pacific, coming up this ridge, rising in elevation as it crashes into the mountains. It's getting pushed up and it forms the massive clouds that you see here. And it was really interesting on our drive yesterday. On some parts of the island, it's not at all tropical, very dry. But on this side of the island, because it's receiving all the moisture, you have the jungle that we're in right now. Clouds come and go frequently during the day because of this constant water cycle going on. So as soon as the cloud gets up there, it'll rain and then wash back down to the ocean. We have nearly reached the summit of the Ridge Trail. Again, the water cycle is prevalent here, very obvious. You see, we are now in the clouds that we were looking up at earlier. And again, that moisture coming in up through the valley, rising in elevation, dropping in temperature, condensing into the clouds that you see here. Under there, and it's got the weight of the ocean behind it. So there's only one way to go, and that's blowhole. This whole island came from a volcano erupting, so this is the result of most likely gas bubbles being trapped in the lava as it is exposed to air and suddenly solidifies very quickly.